Okay, so what I have here is the new style switch for our boilers. So it comes in 3 parts, and this one is what you all will see from the front side. So this is the first step. This is like through the control box hole, and then we thread this nut on and tighten it down against the box. And then this piece here has an arrow there, and this has an arrow as well. Top there, so you just line those up. It'll start at the bottom. Like that. And then this will be the same way. There's a top and a bottom. You can kind of see this right here is like a little catch. So you can, this will pry up to release that hook, and this bottom hook is just stationary. So we'll put that into the bottom. This is the top, this is the bottom. You'll clip in there. Now you'll notice there's actually 3 spots. You can clip it here, in the middle, or on the left side. For these switches, you want to make sure that you put these on the left or right. If you put them in the middle, it actually won't depress anything. And you want to make sure there's no gap here. If there's a gap on the bottom, a gap on the top, it's not quite seated right, and it could pop off. And a lot of times it's easier to wire these up before you actually clip them on. And then to remove them, you just take your flathead screwdriver and stick it in this top. And then I'm gonna pry down. Change it off. The same with this guy. Yeah, you'll notice how it works is just a plunger mechanism, but then these depress. Whenever this is pushed in, it connects the top to the bottom. And it doesn't matter if the power, hot wire is in here and the out is this way, or you can flip flop. It really doesn't matter which way the power is flowing through here.